How to transfer Chase points to United Airlines. Now, this method or the step-by-step guide that I so what you want to do is just follow the step guide and you should be able to transfer it without any problems. So first things first is of course log into your account and enter the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. Now use your secure login and password to access the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. You could also do this either on your smart mobile phone or computer. And then once you're logged in, you'll be able to view your points and dashboards. Now within the portal, access the transfer to travel partner section, and that is when you will be choosing the United Airlines S1s or the specific transfer directly over from your current points to United Airlines. Now transfer your Chase Ultimate Reward points and then logged into Ultimate Rewards and then click the circle next to your points balance at the top of the page and then just choose transfer points to partners. Then just simply confirm the transfer and you're good to go. And that's it. Those are the steps how you can transfer your Chase points to United Airlines.